Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create shape-based design layout in Photoshop. First of all, select custom shape tool in Photoshop. Choose simple shape, then draw a large shape on canvas. Now duplicate shape using Ctrl plus G, then resize, duplicate smaller, change color slightly, align shapes diagonally, and add text on top. Adjust spacing manually. Now group all shape layers, lower opacity of background shapes. Keep text bold. Check balance each and everything in your project. Your design looks modern. Your layout is ready in Photoshop.